Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Akhlavat High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 8th class maths. We have started a discussion with square roots and cube roots. What did we learn? We learned how to find the square root, how do you find the square, right? And after that, we learned how do we use the factorization method and other things. Okay. Today, let us have few more problems of how do we find the square root and where do we use it, and let us have few word problems of it. Okay. Shall we start? See here. The question given here it is, find the smallest number by which 7776 is divided to get a perfect square. Okay. He is asking by what number this has to be divided so as we have to get a perfect square. What did we do in the last class? In that question, it was like he was asking to find the number to multiply this number so that that will become a perfect square. Okay. There we have to multiply it. Here we have to divide it. That's it. Yes. How do we do? Whatever the number we get extra other than double number, we have to just divide it. Okay. See here, 7776. Shall we do? See here, 7776. In which table does it go? 21 plus 6, 27. It is divided by 3 table. Therefore, 3 2s are 6, and the next one is left. 3. The next 3 5s are 15. 2 is left. 3 9s are 27, and 3 2s are 6. Okay, which table does it go? Again 2 table let us take. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and the next 2 9s are 18, and the next 2 6 are 12. Again from 1 to 96 we already know it. That is 2 into 1 to 96 is 6, 2 6 are 12, and the next here 2 4s are 8, and here 2 8s are. Okay. Next 2 3s are, 2 2s are, and 2 4s are, and the next again 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, and 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 1s are, 3 into 27, 3 into 9, 3 into 3, again 3 into 1. Right. Now check here, this can be written as 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and the next 4 3s. Okay, is it right? 1 2 3 4 5 3s, and the next 1 2 3 4 5 2s. Okay. Now if I want to find square root of this, what do I get? For 2 2s I will get 1 2, for 2 2s I will get 1 2. Okay, and the next for 2 3s, and the next for 2 3s. What are left inside? 3 into 2. Okay, in order to get as a perfect square, I have to remove this 3 and 2. That is nothing but, therefore, to get a perfect square, 3 into 2 is to be divided. Okay, that is we have to divide 6. What are the numbers left now? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, that is 36. This is my square root of a number. Is it clear? Did you understand? Right? We did 2 problems, that is, one is the smallest number which is to be multiplied to get as a perfect square, and the next the smallest number to be divided to get as a perfect square. Is it okay? Fine. See here the next question. Product of two numbers is 1 to 96. Right? If one number is 16 times the other, he is asking us to find the two numbers. Product bole to multiplication. Is it fine? That is, let us take x 16x be the two numbers. Okay. What do we get now? The product of these two numbers, x into 16x, is 1 to 96. Okay. See here, x into x is x square. Let us take this 16 that side. That will divide it. Okay. In what table does it divide? Let us check. See here, 4 4s are, here it is 4 3s are 12, and the next 4 2s are 8, and the next 4 4s are 16. 324 by 4, that is nothing but, again we can cancel 4 1s are 4 8s are 4 1s are. Okay, that is x square is 81, then x is square root of 81. Okay, then x is equal to 9. If x is 9, what about another number? That is 16x, that is 16 into 9, that is 144. Therefore, numbers are 9 and 144. Is it clear? Did you understand? Is it not easy to solve? Yes? This is a few problems, this is one of the few problems which we are going to solve now. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. See here the next question, that is, he is telling the area of a square field is 5184. Okay, area of a square is 5184. Can I find its side? What is the area of a square? That is side into side. Okay, that is, let us write now, that is area of square is 5184, that is a square is 5184. So he is telling that the perimeter of this is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle HMs. Okay, in order to find the perimeter I have to find the side first. That means in order to find the side I have to find square root of this. How do we find? 5184 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, and the next 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 8, 2 9s are 89, 2 2s are 4. Again next 2 1s are 2, and the next 2 2s are 4, and the next 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12. Again we got 1296. Let us do the same. 2 6 4 8, again 2, is it right? 3 2 4, 2 1, and the next 6, and the next 2. Is it right? And the next 2 81, 3 into 27, 3 into 9, 3 into 3. Okay, what do we write from this? We will write it as a square, a is equal to square root of 5184, that is square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that is 6 2's, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, into 4 3's, right? 1 2 3 4. Okay, that is for first 2's I will write 1 2, next 2's, and the next 2's, next 3's, and after that next 3's. That is 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, into 3 3's are 9. Therefore, my side is 72. This is the side of a square. What about the perimeter of a square? Perimeter is 72 into 4. That is, how much is it? 288. This is the perimeter of a square. He is telling that the length is twice of the breadth. Okay, here if L is length, then L is equal to 2b. Okay, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 288. What is the formula of a perimeter? 2 into L plus B is 288. 2 into what is L? 2b. Let the B be like that only. Okay, now let us find the value of B here. 2b plus B is 3b is 288 by 2, that is 3b is 144, B is 144 by 3. How much is it? 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24. That is B is 48. From that I get L as 96. Okay? Yes or no? He is asking us to find the area of this rectangular field. What is the area now? Tell me. Area is equal to length into breadth, that is 48 into 96. Okay, just multiply that and we can solve it. That is 4608 meter square. Is it clear? Don't forget to write this units. Is it clear? Did you understand this problem? Fine. These are all the different problems of finding the square root by using prime factorization method. Okay. Shall we do the next method? That is division method. Okay. Shall we start? Let's do. Division method. What is this method? Did we do in our previous classes? No, right? That is, we are going to learn for the first time here. That is, how do we do? Just concentrate here. That is, first write this 784 in between. Okay, divide it into two sets so that make sure that if it is a 3-digit number, take first number as first and the next two numbers. Okay, before that we have to be thorough with all the square numbers, I mean perfect squares. Okay, before 7, is there any square, perfect square? Yes, right, that is 2 2s are 4. Okay, now subtracted 7 minus 4, how much do we get? 384. Okay, is it clear? Next, double this 2, what do we get? 4. Clear? Beside 4, we should put such a number that it has to be multiplied in order to get 384. That is, either we have to do 41 into 1, 42 into 2, 43 into 3, 44 into 4, like that. Is it clear? Or 46 into 6 or something like that. Okay. When do we get 4? Which square? That is 8. Therefore, better we'll try 48 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4 is 32. 32 plus 6 is 38. Are we getting 384? Yes, right. 4 8 8s are, that is 384. This is my square root of 784. Isn't it easy to solve? Yes. Once again let me tell. First we'll write 784. Then we'll segregate into two parts. If it is in the 2 numbers, we'll 2. Okay. If there are 3 numbers, we'll take from right hand side. That is first to next one. Okay. Then we will take. Then we'll check whether there is any perfect square before this number. Yes, there is a perfect square 4. That is 2 2s are 4. Okay, that is after subtracting it I will get it as 384. Then I have to double this, I will get it as 4. Then I have to place here such a number that these both multiplies should get this final number. Okay, 41 1s are, 42 2s are, 43 3s are, we have to check it. Is it clear? Did you get now? Fine. Now see here 1089. How do we do? Tell me. 10. Is there any perfect square before 10? Yes, right. Which is the perfect square? 9 is the perfect square before 10. Is it clear? Shall we write now? That is 3 3s are 9. After subtracting, I will get it as 189. Okay. Now I have to double this 3. That will become 6. Fine. Now I have to put some number so that I will get it as 9. When do we get 9? Either 3 3s are or 7 7s are. So let us multiply in both the cases. Let's see for 63 3s are. What do we get? 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. We are getting it. Okay. 63 3s are 189. Therefore, square root of 1089 is 33. Is it clear? Shall we find this? Now see here. 9025. We'll take like this separately. Okay. Now tell me, before 90, what is the perfect square? Just before 90, that is 81, which is 9 9s are 81. Here 9 is left, 25. Okay. And after that, I have to double 9. Then I will get it as 18. Now what is the number I have to substitute here? I have 5. Okay. Then which number is suitable? 5 5s are, then it will be 185 into 5 let us write. 5 let us check. 185 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 42. 5 1s are 5. 6 7 8 9. Are we getting? Yes, I am getting 925. Okay, now tell me what is the square root of 9025? That is 95. Is it clear? Did you understand how to do this division method in order to solve this square root? Yes, right? Fine. In prime factorization method, what were the problems there? We used two different techniques. That is, after prime factorization, we will check what is to be multiplied, what is to be divided to get as a perfect square. Here, we will check what is to be added, what is to be subtracted. Okay, that is whatever remainder we get, we have to add or subtract based on the question. Is it clear? Did you understand? Fine. Shall we do that kind of problems now? See here, he is asking find the least number to be subtracted from 4000 to get a perfect square. How do we do? In order to do that, we have to find first division method. How? Just write 4000. Okay. First of all, we have to segregate it. 40 00. Okay. Before 40, what is the square root? I mean perfect square. That is 36. Right? That is 6 6 are 36. Okay. 40 minus 36 is 4. We'll get 00. Okay. 6 का square क्या है? I mean, what is the double of 6? 120. Okay. In order to get 400, what is that I have to multiply to this now? Tell me. When do we get 0 0 zeros? 120 zeros are? Or 121 ones are? 122 twos are? Okay. 123 threes are? 123 fours are? Whatever. Okay. We have 0 here. What do we do? Tell me. However, we are not getting 0 there. So, we have to check which number will come just before that. Same as our division. 123 threes are? Tell me what do we get? 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. Is it okay? That is 123 threes are 369. Okay. Now subtract and tell me how much do we get after 69? We get it as 31. So, we have to subtract 31 to 4000, I mean 31 from 4000 to make it a perfect square. Is it clear? Is it not easy to solve? Yes, right? Fine. These are all different problems of square roots by using division method. Is it clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of square roots and cube roots.